All right, so welcome back. We're gonna bring in our top tier sinking funds. So for Christmas, we said we were putting in $50, and I know I'm gonna have to break that 50. So since I already have money in here, maybe I can change it. Yes, it looks like I'll be able to change it. All right, so next up is our Christmas fund. And for our Christmas fund, we said we were putting in $50. I have 100 here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the 100. Since I'm putting in 50, I'm gonna give the bank $50, and I'm gonna take the 100. So then now we should have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, and 30. So 430 in our Christmas fund. And that's pretty good. We're basically halfway. And I can definitely get gifts with 430. So that's my goal, to have this fully funded by November so that I can do Black Friday sales and get everyone gifts. And then the next fund is my vacation fund, which kind of goes with that because I want to travel for the holidays. So we're saving up money to pay for airfare and car rental to go visit family. So then that's the next fund, which I'm gonna put in $50 to my vacation fund. They are in the front. So then I'm adding $50 to that. So let's see how much we have now. So we put $50 in our vacation fund, so that should be 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 360. So now we have 360 in our vacation fund. And this one, I have a little amount here, so I'm just gonna fill it out to fill it out. And I'm gonna do 50, so I have 360. And next up is our back to school. Back to school fund is the fund that's due soon, but it's also the lowest amount, so I know that we should meet it, if not exceed it, by the time that I need to use it up. So I plan to use whatever extra money I have left over from this fund after I use it, and putting it into starting the fund up again for next year. If not, I'll put it into my other top two funds to help move those along. I still haven't decided. I need $35, so that should be the remainder of the money. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So $35. So we're putting in, let me write it down, 118, 35. So let's see how much that is. 100, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190. Ooh, 195. 195. Ooh, you didn't see that. 95, 196, 97, 198, 199, and 200. So we have $200, one broken 5. And I wanted to hit 300 for this one. I don't know if that will be enough. This is the first year that I will be needing the back to school fund, and I will need to buy everything. Please leave comments or tips down below of ways to reduce the cost of back to school. I would greatly appreciate it if you can give me tips and tricks on things that I should and shouldn't get. I'm still torn between what items to get for her that she'll need now that she's starting school. So we have that, so we have 2.
And that sums up my video. If you enjoyed watching, please like and consider subscribing if you want to see more content. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye.